na boy ran sini mo na say de anim pimo MP cool mu Canada akompreko Japan mo mo ni mu nsma fafa no ene de ide watimi abomoden afre John Dramani Mahama, the President of the Republic of Ghana. Yes, FA Wontumi Chia China na kotum wako 20 years in prison with Haliba no na Canada akompreko Japan etina se hwe na won say there be ano den into afraid John Dramani Mahama Edney na Chinko. Canada akompreko Japan is spokesperson and so the Simbi atuja FA Wontumi ni jila edina kotum yenje brani kuti de odituja any seminar.
Tama Chema Wontumi should the bar from. He did a video interview and was say, what catch a press ayi Chema Wontumi say, what apologize to President Mahama. Tell you, one part President Mahama, the video is all over. Now, Ora Feno market. Any a compare Japan, Canada or Japan. These two people called President Mahama. Just by making you on the phone. And they apologized to President Mahama on behalf of Chema Wontumi. Just by making you. They apologized to President Mahama on behalf of Chema Wontumi. Chema Wontumi offended the public, that put it this way, politically. Argentina. President Mahama and Kwana said the party yes or apologize to. I don't get it. All these people I'm talking about had the case. And I don't get it. So when they apologized to President Mahama, Mahama was laughing and said, okay, no problem. And he shared something that Chema Wontumi said to him. I don't want to repeat it. No problem. But later, a conversation, about 30 minutes later, the President Mahama sent a video to a fellow American phone and the Japan phone say, just your own people say me jelly, jelly, your father say, Wontumi. Share video na ye Chema Kwasinti. John from Nano. Or no video no what chat you miss ye jelly, Wontumi. Then President Mahama told them that even his own people, your own people, say ye jelly Wontumi. The question that I'm asking is, why were they asked to apologize to President Mahama? I don't get it. As a logician, the person bisa say, any political score settling, and I say a bad impression you put you on President Mahama. So be already benya sembiano, sadi pano, onyasamo yikota, say nesi. I don't get it. Why is it that some Kofona offending the public, but they were all asked to apologize to President Mahama? I don't get it.
Abusiana Kennedy akompreko Japan spokesperson Kwasi Kwatin ene chiremu a ade se as a lawyer there sentence and as a judgment about to abontin no or no wakenkan bi the first thing obey ne se omugitum just was say Chairman Wontumi aye bibia e fa galamse ho a ese se mran ni di se even po omo call api wumpo na je se bibia e be bo Chairman Wontumi bia no ese se omudi di Chairman Wontumi esan se onu de galamse de enya de se opekra na abusua na emom no. I mean, it's
a judgment that we accept. I don't have any problem. Say Chairman Wontumi a kwa appeal in Puna court and say me on the supreme interest of the state. Say I fight Galam say no problem. Say I'm passing even the court of appeal or the Supreme Court also actually finds him some power. No problem with that. The law should take its course. May a law abiding citizens. Indeed, a baby or beba fight Galamse Bia, and that is what the MPP also stands for. But the current challenge the selective justice. So it becomes almost a pattern of selective justice. Say, aban no a ono so fight galamsey na akoye say ye woni pen mu bi oyede or target omo. And I have always maintained say if you look at state institutions no enye se bi we two omo and I say akonde omo enti na oman ni nyina na so obi ebu omo. It is the level of trust and confidence our man for near the two state institutions, so that gives them and wills them their power. So when state institutions or government appears to say no maybe one selective amnesia, that is where the problem is. As for the legal route on the substantive matter, the lawyers will handle it. That's why I have no problem and I have no doubt to say one more appeal or more chances very high. So they will be able to quash the judgment because what kind of judgment now? There is a portion or so in terms of who's attached animal file process equal Supreme Court. So more pay interpretation on the Mining Act. And I'm so or no or shame who any question of interpretation. And then she can go ahead with the judgment. May we can pass or more the Court of Appeal and even up to the pace of Court of Ghana, which is the Supreme Court, they will be able to probably get a judgment in their favor. But my issue, like I indicated, has to do with the political consistency. What am I talking about? O can say, oh, ye ora, and also fighting galams. I mean, generally, your manager body. On what basis? Anna, ye what court proceedings are near Koso, or Opunino case, or a Siama case, a governor of Bank of Ghana, or Saglemi, Papa Conference, a Colezao. One more file, be a friend of submission of no case. Our court said no, you have a case to answer. All of these instances, I've given you 3 instances. Our court said they have a case to answer. Then a government comes in power, go and file process be a fair knowledge process. Even though the court has said some more case to answer, they the government on more interested in pursuing the matter. And then you make this now why watching where free and all of a sudden about political opponents there and within 9 months we have to finish every trial. I don't have any problem. Such a Wontumi a appeal in Puna Court and say, well, me on the supreme interest of the state, say I fight a galam, say, no problem. Say I'm passing even the Court of Appeal or the Supreme Court also actually finds him some power, no problem with that. The law should take its course. May a law abiding citizens. But we are talking about the political consistency. If politically a party appears to be inconsistent on the fight against Galamsey, President Mahama, one of his public speeches, he cannot deny the fact that on one members of his own government are part of Galamsey.
On the party
for any party. And so far, no, yetima holy omo. Now no yami no more want to say there was an investigation. You could say it was from almost a year. What is the update and the outcome of that investigation? Akosi say, indeed, media me kemesra bayano. A book council ya hobrase council say the imprisoning Wontumi alone, right, will not be a basis enough and deterrent enough to indeed justify the argument to say indeed they are fighting Galamsey. Granted, say even we go for appeal and do not succeed that. It is not about Wontumi alone. Yes, Wontumi's case may be symbolic. But you see, the raw challenger Obi Abetuamomo has to do with Omwanka's Omongrofo. Because Mobai, it's not as though say Galamsey and Swati. It's rather increase. Mobai me anonymous for playing call Takrade. And Takrade pilot, I was even scared. Because of fly very low as compared to say we Kumasoni there. Chain will be Muse Kumasoni there. Beponi and the same thing there because the sea level is completely different. You can see from the grounds, say the ACR says so. It is not in dispute. Say gold board mining at various levels is going high. Of course, you can hide under the umbrella of say community mining and